Well, most hard money lenders are only going to loan you 70 to 75% total funded on that $100,000 property. So at a 70% total fund rate on a $100,000 fixed up after repaired value property, 70% of $100,000 is $70,000, right? 70%, $100,000, $70,000. Pretty easy, right? So you're at $70,000. So you're like, okay, Mark, that's great. I'm going to get $70,000 to buy this house. Now, because hard money lenders also will deduct out of that number the amount of repairs that are needed to get it to that $100,000 after repaired value, right?